Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add social links in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit sites.google.com. Then enter the website you want to add your social links on. This is my website on Google Sites. And let's say that I want to add my social links here on the bottom of this page. First, make sure you are in the Insert tab and scroll down to looking for social links. Here they are. Click on it, and here you can start adding icons for common social sites, and here just paste your social link, and the icon for common social sites like Facebook, Instagram, IG, TikTok will appear automatically after saving. Okay, let's start with Facebook. Here you should add your page or personal account. I don't have one, so I will skip it. Same thing for TikTok.com, and let's add, for example, Instagram.com. Click on insert, and just like that, the social icons or the social platform icon are inserted or are appeared. You can adjust the social icon size from here, the shape between circle, square, no shape. You can edit the color, colored, black, white, gray. Let's go with colored. You can also center them or align them or take the full space. I will center them. And here I will also center this element just like that. And let's make it a little bit bigger. You can also add the social links by clicking this little pen. If you have more than 3 social links, you can click on this add link and paste your link here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. You can also add the social links by clicking this little pen. If you have more than 3 social links, you can click on this add link and paste your link here. And you can also duplicate this element. Let's go with circle. And now don't forget to hit publish to save those changes. Let's view my social links live. And this is how they appear. And this is how to add social links in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.